Hello, sir. Big congratulations on your film.
Good evening.
You're a very busy man. You're the man behind Maddock, the brains behind Maddock. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause one more time. Yes. Sir, how excited are you about this launch amongst the many projects you're doing?
I think Cocktail was the first film Maddock made. I think it kind of started everything for us. So of course we are super kicked, but we'll come to the point straight. Yeah, it's quite late in the evening. So we have a little bit of a thoda ek predicament hai, problem hai, कि we have two heroines in the film and one hero. So we actually don't know. दादा थोड़ा सा नीचे आ जाओ. हाँ, अभी ठीक है? कौन आ रहा है बीच में? इन हाउस. अभी ठीक है? हाँ. So basically हमारा एक इन हाउस प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे पास दो हीरोइन हैं और generally they really get along, there's no issue, but the problem is that we have one song with one girl and one song with the other girl. So if we launch one, the other one won't be as happy. So I think we need to decide today which song to launch. How we are going to decide that, what we're going to do is the surprise for tonight. So मुझे लग रहा है पहले दोनों को बुला लें. थोड़ा आवाज करोगे तो ही आएंगे ना.
Dinesh sir.
I don't think they're happy. थोड़ा और बोलना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा और चिल्लाना पड़ेगा. चलो 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 चलो.
Hello. Hi Kirti. Hello. Welcome. Hi.
Hello.
Hi Rashmika. Hello. Hi.
एक सेकेंड, ये दो हीरोइन हम लोग नाम सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बोला नहीं बोला, अब तक नहीं बोला. But guys, all of you, अरे हम फोटो दे देंगे भाई, फोटो दे देंगे.
किधर नहीं जा रहे हैं आपको फोटो?
यहीं पे हैं. बात तो सुन लो. सबसे पहले all of you, welcome to my song launch, guys.
You mean my song launch?
No, I mean my song launch. Actually, song आज मेरा वाला launch हो रहा है. इसका सिर्फ दिल रखने के लिए हम लोग दिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Oh, no, baby. My song now has a lot of heart in it. So I think they're doing you a favor to keep you cushy.
To keep me happy. Baby, I've done some 7 films with Maddock. This is my 8th. I don't think they need to keep me happy at all. I'm very happy.
Oh, no, but you know, after the box office numbers of Chhaava, I think the favoritism has changed a bit.
Favoritism changed. Yeah, I think Shahid बता सकता है.
Yeah, Shahid?
Come. What do you think?
Whose song launch is it?
Hi guys, what's up? I just got in, and I just want to say, ऐसे आज तक किसी ने डीनो सर के साथ बात नहीं की बेटा. I just want to say that welcome to my songs launch.
Hello, excuse me.
Excuse me?
You mean our song launch?
हाँ मतलब you're also
Yeah,
in.
I mean our song.
Yeah, you're
launch.
also in one.
Okay, you know
But
what?
I'm in both.
No, but tell us which song is your favorite?
Yeah. And who is your favorite?
Who
देखो,
is your favorite?
क्या है that usually ना मैं अपनी सारी पिक्चरें पहले ही देख लेता हूँ, but मुझे इस बार कुछ दिखाया ही नहीं गया है. So I think this is a question that only one man can answer. Dino,
No, I think you need to
Dino,
choose.
you must answer.
You need to
No,
choose.
Shahid, you need to choose.
You have to choose.
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, ये बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है. With these two beautiful ladies next to me, मुझे लगता है आप सबको दिखा दो और उनको कौन सा बेटर लग रहा है, कौन सा पहले डालना है. I think let everybody decide ना, because
आप लोग डिसाइड करोगे कौन सा गाना लॉन्च होना चाहिए. पक्का? हाँ.
पहले कौन से दिखाएं?
अभी इस पे मत झगड़ा करो. हाँ.
नहीं देखो सीनियोरिटी वाइज इसकी 8 पिक्चरें हो चुकी है, तो पहला गाना तो इसका दिखा देना.
चलो ठीक है.
The senior is calling me a senior.
नहीं
Nice, huh?
इन मैडक तेरा सीनियर कोई हो ही नहीं सकता.
Okay, wait.
That's
Should we
true.
start with Jab Talak? Like, can we watch it again? Because we three haven't
One
watched
second, I
it,
just want
watched
to
it
ask,
together.
can we watch it again?
Okay, we can. Can we? Oh, sorry.
Do we have it?
Yeah, you all will have to
Watched it
little bit
together,
more.
so I think that's a good start.
I think we'll have to move.
Should we just
Oh, yeah.
हाँ अब जाए हम लोग.
I'm side पे. Come
शायद that's it.
Okay, पे देखिए
Yeah,
ना.
Kriti, should we watch your song now? Yes?
I think we must. I was going to say it, but you said it.
Yes? तो अभी कृति का गाना चला देते हैं. Let's go for it, guys.
Oh,
Come on.
शाहिद भी है उसमें, हाँ? कृति और
कृति-
शाहिद.
Sorry, Shahid. But she's the main actor. Yeah.
इसके बाद मिलेंगे थोड़ा.
Should we take Shahid's name? अगर आप लोग लेते हो तो फिर आप लोग ले सकते हो.
Of course.
It's Shahid and Rashmika's song and Shahid and Kriti's song. अभी Shahid और कृति का गाना आप लोग ने देख लिया. Yes. Now we'll move on to the next song and we have to decide now, guys. ये बहुत tough है. मैंने दोनों देखा. ये बहुत tough है. मेरा भेजा खराब हो गया. Now you have to see. Big round of applause now for the next song with Shahid and Rashmika. This is a very different song. यहाँ पे तो पूरा heart feeling. This is a serenade song. This is a good college romance song. Okay. अभी हम लोग को decide करना पड़ेगा. Guys. Shahid is winning both songs today. Okay. Shahid, you're going to win both. Either way you win.
What? Okay.
आइए Shahid, आइए. आपको कौन सा? Which is closer to your heart?
I like to give decisions when they're up to me.
Yeah.
This one's not up to me.
This is not up to you.
But no. Both the songs are amazing. And I mean, I'm very fortunate to have two amazing actresses, superstars, beautiful ladies, extremely professional, in the absolute prime of their careers, and they've both given spectacular performances. They both are amazing looking, and I guess that's why Cocktail 2, even Kunal can't decide who to go with, and that's what the film is all about. But it's been an absolute pleasure, and it's great to have both of them and to be a part of both these songs.
Lovely.
Shahid, tell me something. Abhi, you were saying something about chemistry, na? I loved what you said about chemistry.
ये सब बातें बताने वाली थोड़ी होती है, पागल हो गई है.
आपको कुछ chemistry के बारे
But
में
if you have
बताया?
to define chemistry and chemistry,
This is like with Rashmika, it's my first film, but it never felt like it was our first film. I honestly, whenever we got into any shot, we never even discussed what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And I loved the fact that she was all up for spontaneity, and we just had a lot of fun. And that doesn't happen every time. So I'm really happy that we just went for it and we did whatever we did, and it was amazing to share screen space with you.
No, I fully agree. Yeah. Like every time we were working on a scene together, somehow spontaneously we would just come up with, after takes, there'll be one extra tichka that we give, and we didn't even see it coming. We don't even rehearse it. It just comes, and that's what the chemistry was. Like magical, and thank you,
but
Shahid.
I
You're
have to say, because I was not there when you guys shot the song, obviously. I think you guys have such cute chemistry. It is adorable. The way, and I'm seeing you guys also like on screen for the first time together. Guys, how did you like that chemistry? Wasn't
Amazing.
it super cute?
Too good.
ये कौन है जिसने बोला I love it? Huh?
No, but seriously, guys, like we have definitely known for a while that you guys have something magical, the two of you. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different. You look hot, that the world knows, and you are f***ing hot. Oh, sorry. No! Censor, I didn't say
एक
that.
शब्द बोला था जो नहीं बोलना है.
Sorry. She is
चलेगा.
amazing. Like, look at her. Okay, I shouldn't. It's just
look
too
at
much
that.
love happening. It's just too much love happening, and we know the chemistry that Shahid and Kriti have shared. But something in Cocktail 2 is just so different, so magical. And when we saw Mashuka, we got a glimpse of it, and I just know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm just so excited to see what's in store more, because every scene that I've heard of, it's just spectacular, and Homester has killed it, and he's yawning right now. He's just like,
He's lost a lens. Homie, come on, yeah. You have to come on stage. Arey, you have to come on stage. Are you crazy? No. People have to know the voice of this crazy guy. Guys, come on.
Yes.
The OG Cocktail director.
अच्छा जिसने दोनों गाने बनाए उनसे तो पूछते हैं उसको कौन सा गाना
Give it up for Pritam Da. Ladies and gentlemen, the genius.
To relieve me of this, Mic is all yours.
Dada, choose which song.
Da.
I want to tell you all, Dada first time has delivered both songs on time. It was exactly 2 minutes before the event started.
Chal, so Preetham, you want
Dada, which song you want to launch?
Maashuka or Tujhko?
Let's see everybody what everybody likes.
Okay, Maashuka. And Tujhko. It sounds pretty much the same. Yeah?
Homie, why don't we
Really?
do
Both.
Dada's like Gana dikha diya. Okay, guys, before we get into which song, this film would have not been possible if Love Ranjan wasn't here.
Woo!
He's the
Big round
one
of applause for
who's-
Love Ranjan, yes.
So actually, he knows who he ends up with. He's the only one. So
Even
let's
we don't know.
Ask him.
We've shot the film, but we don't know who they end up with.
So
No,
which?
you are shooting it, right? वो तो नहीं बता सकते ना कि who he ends up with. हाँ?
नहीं वो नहीं बता सकते बट आप
वो नहीं
गाना
बता
चूज कर लो ना आपको कौन सा गाना बेटर लग रहा है
मैं क्यों चूज करूं यार ये लोग चूज करेंगे